We got the spark gap set up yet again in series with the whole bunch. It's actually between the CFL bulb and this fan, and then the speaker, and then the coils and all that stuff over there. So spark gap's open now, so nothing's happening. You can hear the transformer vibrating. This thing ain't grounded, so actually, if you put your finger out, you'll see a little. You can get a little RF burn from a spark jumping across it there. It's hilarious. I probably should ground that to the house ground, but I don't want to. I want to make sure I establish the effects first. So anyway, we're going to close the gap a little bit, and you will see that this arcing does have quite a bit more of an effect on things. Now it will run with it all the way closed because it's going through there, but you know, I really should probably get perhaps like a tachometer would tell me the RPM of this, and then I could actually see if you look at the you know, the illusion of the blades spinning, and you see how it appears they're turning counterclockwise now to the left when I have the spark gap all the way closed. And when I start to open the spark gap, they start to slow down. Now, no, I'm not saying that the blades are turning. I know that is the illusion here, but it does appear that the frequency, or at least the RPM, is changing. This is a 60 hertz motor, of course, so is that one over there. So it's possible that it is frequency dependent, the RPM. So now it's almost stopped, and then when I go too wide, it does look like it's turning backwards. Now I don't really know whether that means it's going up or down. Let's see how far we go. We take it all the way out. There is a stopping point again. Past it. So that illusion stops, and then we're going to go to all the way open, and you can see as it slows down, it appears to be going the other way. So perhaps it is making it go faster. It's hard to tell with that perceived illusion there. So now we got stability with our current. This thing here, like I said before, I am not able to detect any heat coming off of those coils. I don't know why. Let's see if I can get on the edge of the one here. It's really hard to read this. That's pretty wild looking. You see that? Anyway, I am not seeing any temperature rise. I'm trying to get on the side of the blade here. Doesn't appear to be anything rising. So, oh, wait a minute. I was off of it. Yeah. It's not rising enough to be effective, perhaps. Get spark disruptions going on that causes power loss here. Close it all the way up, or at least get really close to stabilize things. But I don't get any heat out of here, so 1500 watts appears to be too much to have any effect. However, just that coil by itself wouldn't light either. That's another piece to the puzzle, or at least it's another whole puzzle altogether. But those coils won't heat up at all. Now, the first thing that would come to mind is, yeah, there's not enough current. Those are 1500 watt resistors, and they're expecting 120 volts, so potentially 10, 12 amps. We probably don't have 10 some amps here. Maybe another 12 capacitors might show some improvement. We definitely have the capacitors, so we will maybe try that if all else fails. But I'd really like to get heat. I'd like to be able to get some heat out of this. I may try to find a toaster though, because I think if I can get a single element out of that it might be significantly less power, and I might actually get some heat out of that. So that'd be good. I may try that next if I find a toaster. But anyways, thanks a lot.